Hey folks, and welcome back. And in today's video, we'll be looking at how you can do this SSH setup inside Home Assistant OS. Now this is very much advantageous when you want to access the internals of Home Assistant OS. And in this video, we will show you how to do this entire setup, as well as I will show you how to access it using the web client itself. And then after that, using an external terminal from a different machine altogether. So today we will explore this. So let's get started. So now to install SSH, what we need to do is we need to go to the settings section, and in the add-ons, we're going to click on add-on store, and then finally we're going to search here for SSH. So you're going to select this particular advanced SSH and web terminal, click on this and click on install. Now this will actually install SSH server for us inside Home Assistant, and then with this we will be able to make an SSH connection inside Home Assistant. So let's wait for this to install. Now the installation is all complete. Now there are a few things that I would want to enable is first of all this watchdog. So what does this thing do is that if this add-on crashes, it will automatically restart the add-on. And then I'm going to click on this to show it into the sidebar. So now you can see in the sidebar, you have the shortcut directly to the SSH terminal. Now there are some configurations that you need to do. So let's go to the configuration here. In the configuration section here, you need to specify a password. So let's specify a password. So I'm just going to give it a normal password here, just as password. And that's all that we will be specifying here. With this, we will call save here. And this is all that you need. Now let's go and try this particular thing. So I'm going to go back to the terminal here, and the add-on is not running. So start the add-on. So this is actually now starting. So right now I'm getting this particular error because it is still starting. So give it some time. So now let's retry this. And as you can see, I'm able to actually now connect to my Home Assistant using SSH. Now the power of SSH is that you can do a lot of things like install certain packages, you can install certain things inside the Home Assistant OS directly, and this is a very useful thing. Now this is what we have done using this web UI itself. We were able to do an SSH into Home Assistant. Now suppose if you are accessing this from a different machine and you want to use your own terminal. So for this, what you will have to do is, first of all, let's go back to the settings. Let's go to this add-ons. And in your advanced SSH and web terminal, let's go to this configuration here and let's look at this username. So we have this hasio as a username and the password. So now I'm going to type SSH hasio and I'm going to specify homeassistant.local. So now homeassistant.local is the address to access this Home Assistant. You can also specify the IP address, like this IP address directly. I will show you both of the setups. So let's now try with the Home Assistant .local. When you click on this, you will be asked whether you want to connect and say yes. And now I'm going to enter the password that we had given here. So the password is just password. And that's how we were able to actually log into the Home Assistant OS using SSH. And now we can actually run some commands here. Now you could do the same thing by specifying the IP address of your Home Assistant. So I'm going to say SSH hasio and I'm going to specify the IP address, that is 192.168.0.130. Now this IP address would be different for your own Home Assistant. So you need to figure out what's the IP address for that. So with this, when I press enter and I enter the password here, sorry, I entered the wrong password. I'm able to now access Home Assistant via SSH. Now this is a very important tool that will help to install other stuffs like such as Hacks. Now if you're interested in knowing how to install Hacks, so Hacks is a Home Assistant community store, you will need this SSH access. So I'll be making another video in which I will show how to install Hacks using this SSH mechanism. We saw how we can do this SSH setup, and in the future, if you want to know about such easy guides to Home Assistant, make sure you subscribe to this particular channel. So hit that subscribe button below and I will see you in my next one.